Hello, I am Jean-Max, the co-founder of ArtShopAndGo, which is a French online art marketplace. It allows any artist and art gallery to display and sell their works of art through a personal store. This virtual art gallery has as well a blog section about art news, and we do provide another section concerning art events. On the other side, artists may enter as well their own artistic events. It took us lots of months to develop this art marketplace before launching it online during summer 2018, and of course we needed to find a perfect multiple store solution for it. First, we absolutely wanted each artist or vendor to be able to manage his or her online store as much as possible, set the product prices, coupons, shipping zones and fees, and so on. From our side, we wanted to be able to allow vendors to do or not to do certain things, to have a choice of different payment gateways and so on. And most of all, we needed as well a subscription solution for the vendors to use our services and having the option to set a commission on each product sold. So after checking and evaluating the pros and cons of different providers, we thought that the Dokan solution from weDevs was the perfect one. It matches all the aspects of what we needed and far beyond, as they do provide lots of additional plugins to make any marketplace the right place to be. So once an artist creates an account as a vendor, a personal dashboard is accessible from which it is possible to add works of art or any product with its full description page and pictures. It's possible to add a biography, a geographical location with Google Maps, profiles to social networks, to set up all the shipping options and so on. Of course, any vendor can have a look on the sales reports, orders, and so on. Concerning the technical support, we must admit that the weDevs team is always responsive on a timely manner and quite helpful. So far we are quite satisfied with the Dokan solution, and we think this is the best one. So go ahead and make your own marketplace.